Welcome back to the English Chatroom Podcast. In today's episode, our English language lesson is Speaking English with Confidence. I'm Thomas, your host, and I'm so happy you're here today. This is your space to relax, listen slowly, and practice English in a calm, friendly way. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a very important topic: how to speak English with confidence. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak. Maybe that's you too. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mouth feels frozen, you feel nervous, your mind goes blank. If this has ever happened to you, you are not alone. This is very common, and today I want to help you change that. So get comfortable, take a deep breath. Let's build your confidence step by step. Why confidence is so important. Speaking English is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also about confidence. Confidence helps you use the English you already know. Confidence helps you speak, even if your English is not perfect. Confidence helps you stay calm and keep going, even when you make a mistake. Without confidence, many learners stay silent, even when they understand English. So today, let's work on growing your confidence, not just your language skills. Let me share some powerful tips with you. Tip 1: understand that fear is normal. First, fear is not a sign of weakness. It's very normal to feel nervous. When you speak a new language, imagine this. A child is learning to ride a bicycle. They fall down many times. They feel scared. But do they stop? No. They keep trying. Speaking English is the same. You might fall, make mistakes. You might feel unsure. That's okay. It's part of learning. Don't judge yourself. Don't quit. Practice with me. Repeat after me. Let's do a simple speaking exercise together. Just repeat after me. It's okay to feel nervous. Every time I speak, I improve. Mistakes help me grow. I believe in my ability to speak English. Great job. Saying these things aloud may feel simple, but they help you train your brain to feel stronger and more positive. Tip: to speak a little every day. Confidence doesn't come all at once. It grows little by little. You don't need to speak for 1 hour every day. Even 5 minutes is good. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm walking to the bus stop. These short sentences help your mouth get used to English. They build muscle memory, just like training your body at the gym. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. Make English part of your life. Try to add English into your daily routine. When you cook, say the names of the ingredients in English. When you clean, talk about the actions. I'm washing the dishes. I'm folding my clothes. Even if no one is listening, you're practicing. You're becoming more fluent. You're building confidence. Tip 3: change how you think. Your thoughts have power. If you think I will make a mistake, you feel fear. If you think I can try, you feel courage. But many learners have negative thoughts, like I'm too old to learn. My accent is bad. People will laugh at me. I'll never be fluent. Let's stop those thoughts. Let's change the message. Say this instead: I'm learning and I'm proud. My accent is a part of me. Speak to communicate, not to be perfect. I'm growing every day. Let's practice again. Repeat after me. Speak with courage. It's okay to make mistakes. My voice matters. I keep going, no matter what. That's right. You are powerful. Tip 4: focus on communication, not perfection. You don't have to speak perfect English. You just have to speak. Fluency is not about saying everything perfectly. It's about being understood. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. They forget words. They say and all the time. You can speak slowly. You can use simple words instead of I would like to inquire about the possibility of a refund. You can say, can I get my money back, please? Simple is powerful. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is connection, real life. Example, asking for help in a shop. Imagine you're in a store and you can't find something. You want to ask a worker for help, but you feel shy. What if you say it wrong? Here's what you can do. Just say, excuse me, where is the sugar? Or, sorry, can you help me? I need milk. That's it. You don't need perfect grammar. Practice saying it now with me. Excuse me, where is the sugar? Can you help me? I need milk. When you say it aloud, it gets easier to say in real life. Tip 5. Record your voice. Here's a great way to boost your confidence. Record yourself speaking English. You can talk about your day, your plans, or even repeat dialogues that then listen back. At first, it may feel strange, but over time, you will hear your progress. You'll notice your pronunciation getting better, your sentences becoming clearer, your voice sounding stronger. You don't need expensive tools. Just use your phone. This is your private practice. No one else needs to hear it, but you will feel the growth. Tip 6. Celebrate small wins. Did you speak to someone in English today? Did you try a new word? Did you understand a podcast? That's amazing. Celebrate it. Write it in a notebook. Today, I spoke English for 3 minutes. Smile. Reward yourself. Be proud. These small victories add up. They become confidence over time. Confidence is not a big moment. It's hundreds of small steps. Tip 7. Get comfortable with silence. Many learners feel afraid of pausing while speaking, but silence is normal. You don't have to speak fast. Take your time. If you forget a word, you can say, sorry, what's the word? Give me a moment, please. I don't know how to say it, but I'll try. This shows you are brave, honest in trying. Pausing does not mean you are weak. It means you are thinking. That is powerful. Tip 8. Practice with a partner or mirror. Find someone to practice with. A friend, tutor, or study partner. If you don't have anyone right now, use a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak clearly. Practice short conversations. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. What did you do today? Say it again and again. Your brain and mouth are learning, and one day, when you speak to a real person, it will feel easier. Final practice. Speak with me. Practice a simple dialogue. You repeat after me. Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm learning English. I want to speak with confidence. Every day I take one step forward. One more time. Repeat. I speak slowly and clearly. I don't give up. English is my friend. I believe in myself. You're doing great. Final thoughts. You are stronger than you think. Let me remind you of something. You are not behind. You are not too slow. You are not bad at English. You are learning. You are showing up. You are trying. That is more important than being perfect. Be patient with yourself. Speak every day, even just a little. And remember, your voice matters. Your story matters. And you can speak English with courage and confidence. Thank you. If you enjoyed this episode, I invite you to listen again. Repetition helps. And if you feel nervous about speaking, just remember, I believe in you. And you should believe in yourself too. Until next time, I'm Thomas. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and most of all, keep speaking. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.